So this was advertised by the Nixon administration as the, quote, week that shook the world. And they were recalling Napoleon's counsel, in which he said, let China sleep, because when it awakes, it will shake the world. So I would say Napoleon was correct. China has awakened, it has shaken, and the world is still shaking with more to come.
We have this crisis at Ukraine, and so I hope that people can see that China actually for the last half a century is very largely contributed to the global stability and prosperity. It become the second largest trade nation in the world, second largest economy in the world, and the largest trading nation in the world. And I think there's many things that China, US can continue the spirit of Shanghai Communique, and also to really be more a bit normal situation than we're currently in, which I think we are having quite a bit challenges and difficulties now. The principle is still relevant today, highly relevant. I mean, for example, in the Shanghai Communique, it said, we should seek the peace and security of the Pacific region, and also that in Taiwan, actually both U.S. and China recognize Taiwan is a part of China, basically. And so those are really key fundamental principles. And also they were actually seeking not actually to interfere or actually disrupt the region.
Professor Allison? I largely agree with Dr. Wang. I think the Shanghai Communique identified some fundamental foundations for the establishment of relations between the US and China. And they were largely a reiteration of the foundations, the foundational concepts in the UN Charter that China continues repeating, but they deserve to be repeated. They are called sovereignty, independence, territorial integrity, non-interference in internal affairs, and that ultimately, as we saw then with normalization of relations, I think the difficulty has been that as the decades have gone on and the circumstances have changed to some extent in the US and the world, the Shanghai Communique needs to be substantially upgraded and revised. And I would say that would be a great undertaking for the Biden and Xi administration going forward. And I don't think it's simply enough to restate what the Shanghai Communique stated, but to try to take account of the new realities in all three countries.